Unit 2 is called Kite Strings. We will start with 4 letters this week: I, U, W, and T.
Okay guys, our next section that we're going to work on are the kite strings. And think about a kite in the sky. You have that tail that's hanging off of the kite, and that's why we get the name kite strings. We're going to start at the bottom line for our kite strings, and we're going to go up to that middle line. We're going to trace right back over that line until we get almost to the bottom, and then we're going to give it a hook, pick up our pencil, and go a little bit above the middle line to dot it. Let's do it again. Start at the bottom, kite string up to the middle line, retrace almost to the bottom, give that little connector, pick up your pencil, and dot it. Okay, one more time. Kite string at the bottom to the middle line, trace it almost all the way to the bottom, trace, 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 give your connector, pick up, and dot. Now, in your packet, you're going to connect the I's together. And one of the things about cursive is you're not going to stop and dot I's or cross T's until that whole word or that whole section is complete. So watch, we're going to do 2 I's together. Start at the bottom. Our pencil will not come up until we're finished with the 2 I's. Start at the bottom, kite string up to the dotted line, trace it down, 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 connector, keep going, up to the dotted line, down, 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 connector, pick up your pencil, dot it, dot it. You have 2 I's. We're going to do that one more time, okay? 2 I's. Kite string up, back down, connector, pick up, dot, dot. All right, and then on your next, work packet, we're going to do the letters I, and now we're going to throw in the clock climber that we did last week of the D. So here we go. We're going to go I up, there's our kite string up, and back down, 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 connector, clock climber up, go back around, up, up, up to the top line, down, connector, pick up your pencil now, and dot it. I'm going to do that one more time, okay? I and then a D. Kite string up, down, almost to the bottom, clock climber up, go around, up, up to the top line, down, connector, dot your I. And then your final group of letters that we're going to do is the word A-I-D. Clock climber up for your A, around, back down. Here goes your I, your kite string. I, trace it back down. Here's our clock climber D, around, up, 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 go down and connector. And I'm going to do that one more time. I got to dot my I. Okay, one more time. We're going to clock climber up for your A, around. Here's your connector. Now your kite string up, down, clock climber, around, up, up, down, connector, pick up your pencil, and don't forget to dot. Have fun practicing. Okay, now that you've mastered the I's, the kite string I's, we're going to move on to the U. And it looks very similar to what you did when you did 2 I's together, but you dotted them. Watch this. Our U, you're going to start at the bottom line. We're going to go kite string up to the dotted line, down, 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 almost like your I. Go around like a connector, kite string up again, down, 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 down. There is your connector. Now, that is your U. Look, if I were to dot those, it'd be 2 I's, but I'm not dotting them, so it is a U. Watch again. Here we go. Kite string up to the dotted line. Down, 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 down. Connector up to the dotted line. Down, 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 down. Connector. And that is your U. Now we're going to practice. You're going to go back and practice the I that we did the other day. So on your sheet, you've got your I's, kite string up, down, connector, pick up, and dot. Okay? You actually have 2 rows of I's, so let's do that again. There's your I. And then we're going to do a row of U's. Here we go. Kite string up to the dotted line. Down, down, down. Connect. Up. Down, down, down. There's your connector. And that's your U. We're going to do 2 rows of the U's. I'm going to do that one more time. Here's my U. Kite string up. Down. Kite string up. Down. Connector. And there's your U again. And then we're going to add a clock climber next. We're going to write the word dug, like I dug in the sand. All right? So you're going to have a clock climber with your D, your U's a kite string, and then you're going to do your G, which is another clock climber. So here we go. Clock climber up to the dotted line, around clock climber, up to the top for your D, down, down, down. Now we're moving into that U. Same thing, just like we usually start at that baseline. Up for our U, kite string up, down, 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 go back around, down, 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 there's our U. Now we're going to keep connecting, go up clock climber to the dotted line, clock climber, around, go back up. Remember, retrace them back down, straight line down, 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 kill the flowers down, and then there's your hook. That's the word dug. Let me do it one more time because that one's a little tricky. Here we go. Clock climber up for your D, around, up to the dotted line, down, down, our U, here we go with our U, there you go, and then our G, clock climber, around, down, 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 and there's your word dug. Time to practice. Get started and do your very best. Okay, we've got day 3 of kite strings. You have learned how to make the I, you've learned how to make the U, now we're moving on to the W. And there's a progression here because you're going to see the W looks almost like, again, 2 connected I's. So watch this, our W looks just like this. Start at the bottom, kite string up to the dotted line, down, 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 just like you're going to do an I, connector up, back to the dotted line, down, 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 almost like an I. Connector all the way up to the dotted line, and then your little connector is going to be a bridge. Watch this. Whoop, there's your connector. Let me do it again. Starting at the bottom, kite string up to the dotted line. Down, 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 down. Kite string up. Down, 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 down. Kite string up. Connector. All right, you're going to have a row of, we're going to start again with your I's just to make sure you have it mastered. So you're going to do a row of I's, kite string I's, pick up and dot. Then you're going to do a row of U's, which looks like your 2 I's together, but you don't dot it. Kite string up, go down, kite string up, down, there's your U. Then you're going to do a row of W's. Kite string up to the dotted line, down, 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 up to the dotted line, down, 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 up to the dotted line, connector. And then once you've mastered that, the 2 words that we're going to work on are wig and wag. And here we go. That's a combination of your kite strings and your clock climbers. Starting at the bottom, kite string up for your W, and down, 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 down. Once we're up here to the top, this is where it gets tricky. Our connector would go just like that, and that's going to connect right in to your I. There's your I. Clock climber up and around for your G. Down, down, down. And now we're going to pick up, and there is where you dot the I. It looks a little funny, but that's cursive for you. Let's do wig again, and then we'll move on to wag, all right? Wig again looks like this. Kite string up, down. You know how to do your W. There's your W. There's your connector. That connector becomes the first part of the kite string for your I. Okay, there's your I. Go down. Clock climber around, down, 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 connector, pick up, and dot. And I don't have lines for wag, but I'm going to go ahead and do it since it's a little bit easier too, okay? So again, we're starting at the bottom. I'm going to do it just like underneath, but you'll see this I turn to an A, but you'll still have that connector right there. Here we go. Kite string up, there's your W, there's your connector, there you go. Now, your A is just going to keep going around. There's your clock climber. That was almost like you climbed up. Okay, back around, clock climber up, back around, down, 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 connector. And that's the word wag. See, that connector is almost like you're beginning at the bottom line, okay? If you were starting down here, you would connect up. You would start at the bottom. But since that W has that bridge connector right there, that is what connects the W and the A. One more time. You ready? We're going to go kite string up. You know, the W's easy. Looks almost like a manuscript, W. There's your connector that turns into an A. Clock climber A, around. Clock climber G, around. Down, down, connect. And that's the word wag. A little tricky with that bridge connector, but be very careful. You can do it. Okay guys, we're going to do the last of our kite strings today for this week. Now next week we'll have 5 more kite strings that we'll work on. But again, it's that same basic stroke. And this one's real easy. It's a T. And it's just like you did your I, only this time instead of stopping at the middle line, you're going to go all the way up to the top. Also, remember when we crossed our I, we did it just a little bit above that middle line? You're going to do the same thing when you go to cross that T. It's going to be just a little above the middle line. And you'll see what I mean right now. So watch how your T is. We're going to start at the very bottom line. All right, kite string up to the top, 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 top. Down, 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 down. There's your connector. Pick up, and now we're going to cross it. Not quite on the dotted line, but just a little bit above it. All right? When you're doing this on notebook paper, you won't even tell the difference. Here we go. We're going to do it again. Kite string up to the tip top. Down, 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 connector. Pick up and cross it. Look how easy that was. All right, so you're going to do a row of T's, a row of T's, another row of T's. I got a little crazy there, sorry about that. And then we're going to write the word it. We're going to combine 2 clock climbers. It, your I and your T. So starting here at the bottom, we're going to clock climb up for the I to that dotted line. Down, 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 connect up to the tip top line. Down, 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 down. There's your connector. Pick up. You're going to remember dot a little bit above the middle line and cross a little bit above the middle line. Let me do it one more time for you. Okay, here's our I. Kite tail up to the dotted line. Down, 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 connect. Kite tail to the top line. Down, 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 connect. Pick up. Dot. And cross. And I went a little high on there just so you could see. And then you're going to write the word tut, like King Tut. But we're not going to capitalize it. We're just going to write tut. T-U-T. And this is the way it's going to look. And there's all all kite tails. Here we go. Starting at the bottom. Kite tail up to the top line. Down, 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 down. Okay, there's your connector. And it's going to keep going for your U now. There's your kite string up to start your U. Down, 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 down. There's the second part of your U. Down, down, down. Here's your connector for your T. Go up for your kite string. Down, 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 down. Connector. Pick up and cross your T. Cross your T a little above that line, and that's tut. One more time, okay? Bottom, all the way. Kite string up, up, up to the top. Down, 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 down. Here goes your connector, and back kite string start for your U. Down, 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 down. There's the rest of your U. Down, 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 down. Kite string up to the tip top for your T. Down, 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 down. Connector. Pick up your pencil. Cross your T. Cross your T. And you have the word tut. We'll work on 5 more. Get these under control before we move on next week for the rest of the kite strings.